A business plan is a roadmap for your small business. It outlines your goals, strategies, and how you plan on achieving them. While it may seem like a daunting task to create a business plan, there are some simple steps you can take to make the process easier. In this video, we will share 10 tips on how to improve your business plan. Number 1, define your business and product. What does your business do? What are your goals? What needs does your product meet? Once you have an answer to these goals, you can start to create a plan that will help you achieve your goals. Number 2, do research. Before you start writing your business plan, it is important to do your research. This means finding out as much as you can about your industry, your competitors, and your target market. This will help you to create a plan that is realistic and achievable. Number 3, write a clear and concise executive summary. Investors will use the executive summary to decide whether or not they want to read the rest of your business plan. Number 4, create achievable goals and objectives. One of the most important things that you can do when creating a business plan is to set achievable goals and objectives. Without clear goals, it will be difficult to measure your progress and determine whether or not your business is successful. Number 5, develop a marketing strategy. A good marketing strategy is essential for any business. It will help you to reach your target market and promote your product or service. Without a market strategy, your business will struggle to succeed. Number 6, outline your financial needs. This includes money for startup costs, as well as ongoing costs such as rent, salaries, and inventory. You should always have a plan for how you will generate revenue and achieve profitability. Number 7, detail your management structure. A clear and well-defined management structure will help to keep the business organized and running smoothly. It will also help you to ensure that everyone knows their role within the company and how they can contribute to its success. Number 8, describe your production process. Include information on how your product is made, what materials are used, and how long it takes to produce one unit. Include information on how you plan to sell your product or service, what price points you will offer, and what type of customer you are targeting. Number 9, include an appendix. The appendix can include things like financial statements, resume of key personnel, and market research. And number 10, get feedback and make revisions. It is important to get feedback on your business plan from others. This will help you to identify any areas that need improvement. Once you have received feedback, make sure to revise your plan accordingly. Your business plan should be flexible and adaptable. Things change, and you might need to adjust your plan as new information becomes available or as the market shifts.